Hey guys, so today I'm doing a quick review on this storage organizer that I have here. As you can see, I like keeping all of my makeup together. It's nice, neat. Now I got the 4-drawer one. I know that they have like some bigger in size with more drawers, but I think the 4 of them were just enough for me. Now on the top here, it does have like a little separate section here where one unit is like more smaller in size and then the other unit is more bigger in size. Now the bigger in size unit, I like keeping some of my foundation because they're like bigger stuff and more thicker, so they fit well in there. On this side, I like keeping like my mascara, I like keeping my concealer, my professional, just things that are more smaller in size. And over here in the back, it also has like 2 different units. As you can see, I keep like my eyelash curler and just like random things in there. Now in the bottom here, we have the 4 little drawers. Now we have 2 little drawers at the top. I like keeping like all of my jewelry in there, but you can honestly keep anything. My little sister likes keeping like her lipstick here. Now these drawers are a lot more bigger in size. I keep like more of my pore fillers there and some palettes here, so they are quite spacious, so you can just keep anything there. The bottom one is the same way. I keep like my eyebrow pencil, but you can honestly store anything. But I would definitely recommend this organizer, guys. You can fit a bunch of things. I like keeping my makeup and it just looks way more organized and neat, so I would definitely recommend it.